Have you ever heard someone say, just get the names of some surplus funds attorneys and you're good to go? Getting a list of attorneys is the easy part. The real challenge is building strong relationships with the right attorneys who prioritize your cases, trust your process, and work efficiently with you. Too many asset locators make the mistake of thinking that just having a list of attorneys' contact information means they're set. But what happens when your case gets ignored, fees are too high, or the attorney won't even take the case on contingency? This is why working with an experienced joint venture partner who already has established attorney relationships can make the difference. Let's look at 5 reasons why attorney relationships matter more in surplus funds recovery than just having a list of names. Reason number 1. Just having an attorney's name won't get your case handled quickly. Let's say you reach out to a few attorneys and send over a claim. Then, silence. No response, or worse, they tell you they won't take it. Many attorneys do not work with third-party asset locators. They don't want to deal with people they don't know or trust. And for those that do, they might charge higher fees or demand an upfront retainer just to review your case. Now compare that to working with someone who already has an ongoing relationship with attorneys. The attorney knows their cases are pre-screened and well-prepared, so they are more likely to respond quickly, prioritize the case, and even consider contingency-based work. And here's something even more important. Getting an attorney to agree to take your case is only the first step. But what happens next? Even if an attorney is open to working with you, that doesn't mean your case will get processed quickly. In fact, if your submission isn't structured properly, it could sit at the bottom of their pile for weeks, or worse, be rejected outright. That brings us to reason number 2. Well-prepared cases get processed first. Attorneys get bombarded with cases all the time. If your submission isn't structured correctly, it gets pushed to the bottom of the pile or rejected outright. A lot of new asset locators send raw, disorganized documents thinking the attorney will sort it all out, but that's not their job. They expect complete, properly formatted intake files that are ready to go. That's where a joint venture partner makes a difference. They know exactly how attorneys prefer to receive cases, ensuring files are properly structured. Well-organized cases get processed first, so yours gets handled faster. But getting your case reviewed quickly isn't the only advantage of working with someone who knows the process. The financial side matters too. Attorneys don't treat all clients the same. If they don't know you, they'll often charge higher fees or even require an upfront retainer just to look at your case. But when you work with someone who already has an established relationship, that dynamic changes. Let's talk more about this in reason number 3. You'll get better pricing and avoid retainer fees. Did you know that attorneys charge higher fees for one-off clients because they don't expect repeat business? If you're filing your first claim, an attorney might require an upfront retainer, making it riskier and more expensive. But if you're working with someone who already sends them cases regularly, they are more likely to offer better contingency-based pricing, waive upfront fees, process claims faster. This is called economies of scale, and it's one of the biggest advantages of working with someone who already has an established relationship. Reason number 4. Attorneys prioritize repeat clients over one-time filers. If you were an attorney handling multiple claims, would you prioritize someone who's just filing one case or someone who brings consistent business? When you work alone, you're treated as a one-time client, meaning you'll likely be at the bottom of the list. Attorneys prioritize repeat clients first because they know it's an ongoing partnership. When you work with a joint venture partner, Their relationship ensures that your case gets priority handling, meaning faster processing and quicker payouts. But better pricing isn't the only advantage of working with an established partner. This brings us to reason number 5. Working with a joint venture partner ensures a vested interest in success. When you work with a joint venture partner, they have a vested interest in making sure the deal works, because they don't get paid unless the claim is successful. They will coordinate with the attorney to ensure things are moving forward. They will navigate legal roadblocks that could otherwise stall or kill your claim. The bottom line is that they are invested in your success. So the final takeaway is, the list is easy. The relationship is everything. Anyone can go online and get a list of attorneys, but without a real working relationship, your cases won't be prioritized. You'll likely pay higher fees or be asked for a retainer. Attorneys may refuse to work on a contingency basis. You could face delays or rejection due to poor intake preparation. The professionals who succeed in surplus funds recovery aren't the ones who just find attorneys. They're the ones who build strong partnerships and leverage existing relationships to get cases filed faster, cheaper, and more efficiently. If you're serious about surplus funds, focus less on getting a list of attorneys and more on working with someone who already has the relationships and knows the process inside out.